When it comes to video conferencing, Zoom and Google Meet are they're the biggest names, but they take different approaches to the same problem. Let's begin with Zoom, which I'm sure after Corona all of us have used. It offers HD video, breakout rooms, robust screen sharing tools, and advanced features like virtual backgrounds and webinar hosting. Widely used by businesses and schools because it handles both small meetings and large virtual events effortlessly. Its free plan supports up to 100 participants, but meetings are capped at 40 minutes unless you upgrade. Now, as far as Google Meet, it shines because of its simplicity, deep integration with Google Workspace. If you're already using Gmail, Calendar, or Drive, Meet fits right in. You can launch meetings directly from your browser, no downloads required, and it's great for quick, frictionless calls. Its free plan also allows up to 100 participants with a 60-minute limit, which is slightly more generous than Zoom's free tier. Where Zoom has the edge is in collaboration tools. Breakout rooms, polling, and extensive webinar features make it ideal for formal presentations and large teams. But that power comes with more complexity and a heavier reliance on installing the actual app. Now, Google Meet trades depth for convenience. It's perfect for one-click calls, integrates seamlessly with Gmail invites, and works well for lightweight meetings. But it lacks some of Zoom's advanced controls and event-style features. Bottom line is, if you need a platform for structured meetings, training sessions, or virtual events, Zoom is the quicker, better, more comprehensive choice. But if you want fast, no-nonsense calls straight to the point that tie into your existing Google, ecosystem, Meet is very tough to beat. Do you want me to do a three-way comparison with Microsoft Teams, perhaps, to see how it stacks up against both Zoom and Google Meet? I'll gladly do it.